Alright, so I've been given permission finally to open up and unbox our new Compak K10 Fresh. So this is the fresh version where it grinds on demand. We've also got our other grinders in, so the K6s, the K8s, the K10 Pro Barista. That one's going to be nice too. But I'm just going to go ahead and start opening it, and you can see what I see. I know you're jealous right now, and you'll be wanting to open one soon. Alright. So we get a big box. I'm assuming this is the hopper. I don't know, but just take a second to find out. Yep, so this is the hopper. Huge hopper. Very nice too. It's heavy. It's pretty thick, so it's a solid hopper. Comes with the instructions manual. So packed very well with the foam. Woo! It's heavy. So it comes to the bag with the handles. I tried to grab the handles and pull it up, but it ripped the handle, so don't do that. Comes with little stoppers here, kind of like pantyhose maybe, I don't know. So this is the polished version. There's also a black version of the same grinder. The polished is usually a little bit more expensive. So the K10 is the conical version as well. It's not flat burrs, it's conical burrs. Lid on there. And that's the K10 conical. Guess we'll try turning her on. There we go. So I know a couple of the features already. For example, on the side here is where you adjust the fineness. There's a little guide that says fine, coarse. So if you look at the screen when I do this, it's also pretty solid too. It's got a nice feeling to it. So I'm going coarser. But for espresso, we're probably going to need to go finer. And there's no beans in there, so I don't feel too bad adjusting it without any coffee in there. Without the burrs moving. But if you go finer and you're adjusting from really coarse to really fine and there's beans in there, I would have the grinder running just to make sure you don't get any beans stuck in there. So that's how you adjust the fineness. To adjust the times, what you're going to do is you're going to hit whichever button you'd like, then hit the menu button. It starts to flash. Use the plus and minus like a guide, so if you want to change it from 3 seconds, say to 13 seconds, that's all you do. Hit OK, 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 and it's saved. So you do the same thing with 2 cups, 1 cup, And then on the side here, if you can see, there's 3 positions. The middle position is off, the top position is automatic, and the second position is manual. So the automatic version is where you would hit once for a single cup, or you'd hit it twice for 2 cups. So it should keep going until the time runs out. That's it. And the manual is on and off. So yeah, this is the grinder. It's very fast too. From what I read, you can do it does about 7 grams in 2.5 seconds. So if you're doing a lot of singles, which I know a lot of people don't do, but if you're doing a single, hit that once, you're going to get 7 grams in 2 seconds. So you can really move through a lot of coffee with this grinder, especially if you're a busy cafe and you've got 1, 2, 3 groups. You get an order for 10 cappuccinos. You're going bam, bam, maybe 4 seconds for a double, grind your thing. So you can do a lot of grinding with this guy, and the large hopper really helps as well. So we're going to shoot another video once we put some coffee in it and test it and actually get to use it, and I'm really excited, and I hope you watch it. Thanks.